Nature of teaching MCQs లో 7th క్వశ్చన్. The process of teaching includes option A planning, organizing and evaluating, option B reading and writing, option C listening and speaking, option D teaching and preaching. Here the answer is planning, organizing and evaluating. Effective teaching requires planning lessons, organizing learning experiences, and evaluating progress. It is a continuous professional cycle. So here answer is planning, organizing, and evaluating. The next question: teaching is a option A one-way process, option B two-way process, option C three-way process, option D mechanical process. Here the answer is option B two-way process. Teaching involves communication between teacher and student, like questioning, feedback and interaction make it a two-way process. So here answer is two-way process. The next question, 9th question: the success of teaching depends on option A teacher's knowledge, option B student's background, option C method used, option D all of the above. Here the answer is all of the above: teacher's knowledge, student's background, method used. Here effective teaching combines the teacher's subject expertise, understanding of learners' needs and appropriate teaching method. So here answer is all of the above. The next question: in modern education, teaching aims to impose, option A impose discipline, option B promote rote learning, option C facilitate learning, option D control student. 10th క్వశ్చన్ యొక్క ఆన్సర్ నాకు కింద కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో చెప్పగలరు.